My name is Douglas Hicks, and I'm a steward of 23, almost 24 acres in a little town called Jackson. And so we're moving bees today and hopefully extracting some honey. And I'm working with some other beekeepers who are with us today, and Paula and Travis, and they're excited, and we're excited to get this done today. I'm here with my buddy Travis, and what we're going to do today is we're going to move these bees, and we're going to do a split, and that way the field bees that are coming back have a home to go to, and we don't lose all those resources that are in the field. You're cutting comb off, fur comb, don't throw it on the ground. Don't leave it for the animals. Always collect it and take it away. It'll save you a lot of time. After I pull spring honey, take the queen excluder off, and I let the honey drive the queen down in the fall. So the honey in the fall, I'll take a portion of it, but I'll leave them the honey to overwinter with. So I don't need to keep her out of the brood nest. I want her to have the freedom to come and go. Yeah. So this is when I remove the queen excluders. Right. So if you don't have time, don't go into the bees. Plan your work your plan. Okay? Don't rush. Don't say, oh, I'm going to try to get this done, and then have to be in a hurry. If you can't take your time, wait. And what you can't control, leave it alone.